Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel English and Arabic Official. I am your friend Naveed Raza. I could be your best friend also, but for that I have a condition for you. Terms and conditions apply. To be my best friend, you have to do subscribe my channel first of all. Don't worry, I am just joking. You all are my best friends only. But seriously, do subscribe my channel. So let's move on to our topic. Our today's topic is a family. Of course, we all have a family, and I pray for your family to be safe. So today we are gonna learn some of our family members' name. So let's get started. So who should come first? Of course, boss of our family. Yes, we all are having the boss in our family. So who is that? Now time to say बच्चों अब्बू आ रहे हैं. Of course, that is our father. So first word comes father, and father in Arabic we say al-abu. Al-abu means father. Now the number comes managing director of our family. Imagine who is that? Of course, our mother, because she only manages everything in our family. So mother in Arabic we say al-ummu. Al-ummu means mother. Now the number comes of that person who is always listening something from the family. Who should be that? Think about it. Of course, son. This is the fact only. I am talking about fact. So, son in Arabic we say al-ibn. Al-ibn means son. Now the number comes of that person who is always polite with parents. Who should be that? Of course, as we all know, daughter. So daughter in Arabic we say al-bint. Al-bint means daughter. Now the number comes of that person who becomes the responsible very soon according to the situation. Who is that? Of course, brother. So brother we say in Arabic al-akhu. Al-akhu means brother. Now the number comes of that person who is always lovable of our family. Who should be that? Of course, our sister, because all we brothers and sister love our sisters so much. That's a different thing. That sometimes we fight also, but in that fight also love is hidden somewhere. So sister in Arabic we say al-ukhtu. Al-ukht. Al-ukhtu means sister. Hey, hold on. We forgot the headquarter of our family, don't we? Who are they? Think about it. Those are our grandfather and grandmother. So what we say in Arabic to the grandfather and grandmother? So grandfather in Arabic we say al-jaddu. Al-jadd. Al-jaddu means grandfather. And grandmother in Arabic we say al-jadda. Al-jadda. Al-jadda means grandmother. So I hope you love to study in this way. So if you like the video, so please like the video and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye, take care of yourself.